a new topic called conjunctions. So I'm just sharing it on the screen. Look at what I'm writing. I'm going to write the word conjunctions. What are conjunctions? Now, I am not going to give you the meaning, or I'm not going to give you the definition of this word, what is conjunctions, but I will give you an example. आप उसको देख के you will find out, or you will guess what conjunctions are. I'm going to write a sentence. Now, listen, look at the sentences carefully. Are you all able to read this sentence? I am. I hope nobody will write on my whiteboard. Okay, at this. Can you all mute yourself? I can hear all the background noises. So please keep yourselves microphones muted so that there's no disturbance when I'm taking a class. Now look at this sentence. I'm going to write another sentence. Look at this also carefully. Okay, the first sentence says, I got some vegetables, I got some fruits. मतलब मैंने थोड़े सब्जी खरीदी थी, थोड़े fruits, फल भी खरीदे थे. Now when I go to the second sentence, I got some fruits and vegetables. ये दोनों के sentences में कुछ आपको फर्क नजर आ रहा है? Does it mean different? You know, the first and second sentence. Yes, somebody wants to answer. Please give me your name before answering. No, your voice is not clear. Who wants to answer? Karar? What? Yes, Sayyid.
Ma'am.
Yes, Abbas, you.
Ma'am.
Abbas will answer.
Ma'am, conjunction.
Yeah. Now, first sentence says, I got some vegetables, I got some fruits. मतलब मैंने थोड़ी सब्जी खरीदी है, थोड़े से fruits भी खरीदे हैं. The second sentence says, I got some fruits and vegetables. दोनों sentences में कुछ फर्क है? दोनों sentences में फर्क है? क्या फर्क है? Kulsum. I want everyone to mute yourself, and I want only Kulsum to speak. Kulsum, please and speak. Yes. What is the difference?
Ma'am, first one is I got some vegetables, I got some fruits.
Okay.
Ma'am, second one is I got fruits and vegetables.
So what is the difference you find in these two sentences? दोनों का मतलब तो सेम है. मैंने थोड़े सब्जी खरीदे थे, थोड़े खरीदे थे. सेकेंड सेंटेंस भी वही कहता है कि मैंने थोड़े सब्जी खरीदे थे, थोड़े फ्रूट्स खरीदे थे. तो इसमें दोनों में फर्क क्या नजर आ रहा आपको?
मैम,
I will have to mute everyone and allow only one person to speak. Just raise your hands, whoever wants to speak, because the class is getting really very disturbing if everyone speaks together. So please raise your hand to speak and tell me कि मैंने लिखा I got some vegetables, I got some fruits in the first sentence. In the second I wrote I got some vegetables and fruits. So what is the difference you find in the two sentences? What is the difference you find? Just raise your hand. Kulsum will speak. Yes, Kulsum, you can unmute yourself and speak.
Ma'am?
Yes.
First one is
Yes.
I got some vegetables, I got some fruits.
Okay.
And second one is I got some
तो ठीक, मतलब
fruits
दोनों
and
सेंटेंसेस
vegetables.
का क्या है, दोनों सेंटेंसेस का मतलब वही है. आई कैन चेंज दैट. ओके, प्रॉब्ली हियर आई ओके, मैं जाके चेंज कर देती हूँ इसको. जस्ट लुक. ओके, ओके, आई विल डिलीट दिस सेंटेंस एंड आई विल, चलो मैं फिर से लिखती हूँ. सॉरी. Now this is my first sentence. Chali. Now I'm going to put the same way. Fine. So in both the sentences, I have used I got some vegetables, I got some fruits. First sentence में. Second में मैंने क्या किया? I got some vegetables and fruits. Now tell me what is the difference between these two sentences? क्या है इसमें difference? Who wants to answer?
Ma'am,
Please raise your hand. Yes, Kulsum.
ma'am, you can't write second one. I got some fruits.
Bete nahi, you look at the sentences carefully now. Now look at the sentences carefully. Both the sentences का मतलब एक ही है. मैंने थोड़े vegetables खरीदे, थोड़े fruits खरीदे. दोनों sentences का मतलब वो है, लेकिन आप बोलिए मुझे दोनों sentences में फर्क क्या दिख रहा है आपको? क्या फर्क दिख रहा है? I got some vegetables, I got some fruits. I got some vegetables and fruits. What is the difference you find in these two sentences? Anyone wants to talk about this? Yes, Kanis, you can just unmute yourself and talk.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the different is and.
Exactly, that is what I was looking for. दोनों sentences का मतलब तो वही है, लेकिन मैंने पहले sentence में क्या किया? I got some vegetables, full stop. I got some fruits लिखा है. लेकिन second में मैंने क्या किया? दोनों को एक and use करके combine करके एक sentence बना दिया उसको. Correct? If you see these two sentences, look at the first one. It says I got some fruits, I got some vegetables. I got vegetables, I got some fruits. In the second sentence, मैंने दो sentence वहां पे एक ही full stop use किया है, and I have combined, I have joined those two sentences using the word and. जैसे अगर मैं उर्दू में कहूँ कि मैंने थोड़ी सब्जी खरीदी, मैंने थोड़े फल खरीदे, और मैं उसको ज्वाइन करके बोलूं कि मैंने थोड़े सब्जी और फल खरीदे. This ये और क्या होता है? It's nothing but and. I got some vegetables, I got some fruits. Conjunctions are nothing but they are joining words. When you join a sentence using a word, that is called a conjunction. जैसे इस sentence में हमने क्या use किया? We use the word and. जैसे अगर मैं उर्दू में डालूं इसी सेंटेंस को, अगर मैं उर्दू में कहूं मैंने थोड़े सब्जी खरीदी, मैंने थोड़े फल खरीदे, अगर मैं उसको ज्वाइन करूं तो कैसे बोलूंगी? मैंने थोड़े सब्जी और फल खरीदे हैं. और इज नथिंग बट एंड इन इंग्लिश. I got some vegetables,